one and start banging the drum. Now, just start banging it. Okay, that's good.
Hello, beautiful people. How we lost $4,200 during our Solar Eclipse Reconnect retreat and the lessons learned.
And why I wouldn't change a thing.
Exactly. I would not change a thing either.
First off, shout out to Geneva-on-the-Lake, Islands Motel, Michael Cole's there, Earth Natural Treasures. Y'all were a wonderful event.
Beautiful.
And I was honestly impressed by the Old Firehouse Winery for dinner.
Yeah, it was a beautiful dinner. We enjoyed the fish and all kind of appetizers and all of that. And we got a bunch of wine, local wine, so that was amazing. So thank you so much, the Old Firehouse, the Geneva-on-the-Lake, and anybody that we didn't mention. But the lessons learned are, instead of rambling, let's talk about the lessons.
Well, we kept our word. So
Yes.
it was a bite. We didn't fill up. We had a few people come. Mm-hmm. So it wasn't a complete loss. It was still a magical experience. We got some good drumming in and play. We got the drum done just in time to, which tribe was it? I apologize. I'm not going to try and name which tribe it was because there's too many different stories, but like one of the big ones was squirrels coming around and eating the sun and covering it with their tails, so you bang the drums to scare it away. So the sun would come back. So that was one of the reasons, fun things for the drum.
So yes, beautiful, amazing experiences. I will always remember those experiences for the rest of my life. And personally, for me, it was all about the community. So community, very important. So through this experience at the Solar Eclipse Reconnect Retreat in Geneva-on-the-Lake, we learned amazing, beautiful, we learned about that and met a lot of beautiful, amazing people on Geneva-on-the-Lake. We felt very welcomed, and we felt that this is the community we would love to continue be part of, and that is essential because with our vision, what we're doing, we're actually attracting like-minded people to us.
Absolutely. And beyond just that, like the eclipse itself, like the difference between 99% and 100% totality is literally night and day. Like if you were not in 100% totality, you have no idea what you missed. I realized I messed up because I had only seen up to 99%, so I have a much better understanding for the next eclipse, going Iceland in 26 to market it better because it was a profound spiritual experience.
Yes.
Especially having our feet in Lake Erie because the fluid of the lake is more sensitive to the gravity than the ground itself, and you can actually feel yourself being uplifted through the top of your head, which was...
Absolutely. The water was very cold. Very, very cold. But it was still amazing to feel that shift. And after the eclipse, I was completely... I guess I didn't ground myself well enough. I kept putting my shoes back on. And Jedi's like, you gotta have your feet on the ground. Because I felt completely... I was about to pass out and fall asleep. That's how I felt.
And a few of the other people passed out.
Yeah, I was like, whoa, what is going on? I think I slept enough and I ate and I don't know.
Yeah, it was kind of like a magnet just coming along, lifting you up and then dropping you back down afterwards. Like, we know it only changed your actual weight, her probably half a gram and me a gram or two, but it was still enough that it was physically noticeable. That you felt lighter, like the compression in the joints. A lot of people with back pain that lifted for a moment.
Yeah.
To other friends we talked to. So it was a cool experience.
So I would not change anything about it, but we learned a few lessons and we're going to continue no matter what. We will persevere and continue doing retreats or whatever the universe will.
Well, yeah, we're going to do next retreats. We're going to definitely, this one was... We didn't start planning until a couple months ahead of time.
Yes.
So like, we will do something for the next eclipse. So we got 2 years to prepare for that one. And, I'm looking to partner with the hotels or whatever we do so they can take the thing per room, give a group discount, and, make it a little bit easier.
So anyhow, that was amazing. Thank you so much, everyone who came to our retreat. It was a blast, and we will see you soon.